Yo, what up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So I'm back with another video real fast, and I'm going to try to make this video as fast as possible. I'm going to just show you a little bit of snippets and clips and stuff like that. But I want you guys to actually do something. Stop buying unnecessary accessories for your DJI Pocket 3. I'm seeing a lot of people up here wasting money on accessories that you don't need. Unless you are a photographer, unless you are somebody that does videography, if you just buying this for vlogging and stuff like that, I'm seeing a lot of people that's going out buying all these accessories because they seeing what other YouTubers is buying. Let me just put you on. The people that you seeing saying that you need to buy this, they're actually being sponsored by the companies, and that's how they pushing it out so they can get a paycheck and the views on YouTube. You don't need these accessories. I'm going to tell you right now the accessories that you need for your DJI Pocket 3. Okay. One, the very first thing that you need for your DJI Pocket 3, which is this right here, as you can see right here. Take it out. I have mine right here. The only thing that you need for this is you can get all this stuff off of AliExpress. Don't buy it from Walmart. Don't buy it from Amazon. I know you want to get this stuff right away, but AliExpress is your friend, and you can save big bucks by doing this. I will have coupons in the link in the description at the bottom so you can save some money on top of the products that you're going to actually purchase. One, get yourself a back case for this particular case right here. The reason why I'm telling you to get a case, because you can actually get an extended case that puts 3 lenses in the back of the case that will protect your full camera from falls. You can also get a cover on top of it, which is a silicone that can protect it from, like, if you're outside, because I did order a lot of this stuff for myself. If you don't want to use the case, they do have a cover that goes on top of it. They have a full silicone case that goes over the DJI Pocket, which I'm showing all this stuff on the screen right now. They have a silicone ones that goes for the battery and an extender also. They also have a full protection, like I said, that protects the lens and all that stuff right there. Only downfall is it uses this part right here to clip on towards it, so it gives you a little latch, as I'm showing you on the screen right now. Or you can just buy a full one. I wouldn't go with this one that I'm showing you on the screen right now because it doesn't have a lot of padding. At least the other one that comes with the lens, the 3 extra lenses, and that covers this using a particular one. You can use that one. Also, you don't need to buy any of those extra kits that snaps on towards it, and so you can stick it to the walls and stick it to that. Because to be honest, a lot of you people that's doing vlogs and stuff like that, you're basically doing a running gun, basically take it out your pocket in the stores, outside and stuff like that. You're not really sticking against the wall unless you're trying to do some upper stuff class of taking your camera, sticking it on the wall, walking past it to get those cinematic shots, like if you're doing a movie and all that stuff like that. A lot of people's not doing it, so you don't need those extra accessories. You don't need the cage that you pop it on and do it stuff like this. You don't need that, which I'm showing it on the screen right now. You don't need a light for this because this works very well with low light. If y'all seen, I'm able to actually turn off my lights and stuff like that and get a full bright image just with this and a little bit of light. It works good in low light situations without noise. You just got to know how to set up your camera, your ISO, and your shutter speed, and your EV to actually get the best settings out of it without some noise. Now, 2 other things that you need, and this is the main things you need. You can buy a light for it. So if you're outside in dark places, like really dark outside, which this actually does really well in very dark, you just want a simple light, you could go get a Ulati light that you could just pop on. Then now that at that point you can buy a cage for it if you want to be able to use your microphone and connect the microphone and plus the camera towards it. Then yeah, you can buy a cage for that. But if you're not planning on using a light and you plan on using your DJI microphone towards your shirt or whatever mic you have, then yeah, you can buy the cage, or you don't have to buy a cage. Second thing, get you one of these. These are lavalier microphones, as you can see right here. Now, you could get the Creator Bundle Pack. That's gonna work good. So if you want to go and get the standard like I got, the reason why I got the standard is because the only reason why I got the standard is because I already own the DJI mic minis, which is right here. I already own these, so that's the only reason why I got the standard, because I didn't need the mic too. that if you go and get it, you can get the Costco's version. But the only reason why I got this edition is because I'm a Best Buy member, and with Best Buy, I get a 2-year protection plan because I have a credit card and stuff with them. So I get a 2-year protection plan for any accidental damages. So let's say if I throw this out the window, whatever it may be, or damage, I just take it to Best Buy and I get a new one. No questions asked. That's it. That's the reason why I love buying my stuff from Best Buy, because I got that protection plan. Next thing you want to get on top of it, and these are the two most important things, you want to get yourself 2 lenses. All right, you don't have to go and get all of these extra lenses and stuff like that. So I'm going to tell you exactly what these 2 lenses do. You want to get one that's actually called the ND-PL. So the ND-PL, the reason you can get a CPL, but you want to get the ND-PL. The reason why the ND-PL is a little bit more important because the NDs basically gives you a number for the distance. So you get like 64, 32. That's basically pushing it forward or back, or how much further closer that the image actually looks. The CPL, am I saying it right? I think it's the CPL or PLC. CPL. I'll put it up here on the top of the screen of the actual one, but I'm actually putting the picture up. The reason for this lens, this filter right here, this lens right here, is so basically when you turn the knob on top of it, let's say if you're doing shots like with me, the problem I have when I'm doing shots with computers, and even if I'm using my G7 or my Linux on my DZ or my Sony camera, whatever, I always get that glare, and I always have to take the mirror off my computers when I want to do a review of my inside of my PC, or I want to just do a full review of a side going left and right of the PC, and I get that glare from the mirror. Basically what this does is it takes off the reflection. So by you turning the filter left and right or whatever it may be, it basically knocks off the reflection from the sun like that. So if you're doing shots with water, you'll be able to turn that filter lens, turn it around, and be able to actually see what's inside the water, and it's very clear. So that's one thing you really need. And the second one you want to get is actually called the a variable lens. So let me tell you exactly what this variable lens is. It's going to have numbers on it, probably like from 10, 15, 20, all up to 30, stuff like that, as you should see on the screen right now. So as you turn the lens, what this allows you to do is set your ISO on here, basically set all your stuff up to at least 3200. That's the furthest you go. 16, I normally keep it at 16 if I'm doing Pacific shots or whatever it may be. But you keep it at 1600, or you can keep it at 3200. And what that filter does is you can actually control how much light is actually coming into your camera. So you can keep this at the highest, open up the lens to the highest amount, which is 3200, and use the filter to turn it down to make the image a little bit darker, and you're still getting a lot of light coming in. So these are the only accessories that you need for your DJI Pocket 3. Stop listening to everybody else that's saying that you need this. They only doing it for marketing, to get the views, and for their sponsorships and stuff like that. You do not need it unless you're doing photography, doing professional shots, doing like these extreme vlogs. You do not need those accessories. Oh, and I almost forgot, you do need a battery package. So if you went like me and just got the single one instead of the creator combo or the I forgot the other one, the Costco one comes with all the extra stuff like that, but I was going to get the Costco one, but like I said, the protection is more important to me, as this is very delicate. I rather the protection plan over the other accessories. I can buy the accessories on my dollar, my dime, so that's not the problem with me. So I rather do it like that. But the main thing, like I said, you need is the extra battery. So if you can buy yourself a battery, get it from DJI. Okay, the reason for that is because when you want to use your receiver and you plug it inside those AliExpress or Amazon charging banks, it doesn't have a two-way towards it to give data out and stuff like that. So the transmit on the receiver is not going to work inside of it, and that's basically what happened. If you don't know what the receiver is, this is the receiver. If you have the DJI Mic Mini, this is the receiver right here, as you can see. Same thing if you have other things also. So as you can see it right here. So yeah, it's not going to work. If you probably don't know what I'm talking about, it's this part right here on the battery extender. So basically the DJI extender has two-way. It gives data and all the extra stuff, transfer and stuff like that. The battery bank on the ones that you get from AliExpress or Amazon or whatever only has charging capability. So it's only one way in, and that's it. But Make sure you buy the bank from DJI. And if you do want to buy the one from AliExpress, just remember that if you're just doing it just so you can keep a charge on it and just to have multiple batteries, you can buy probably like 2 of those batteries for like $40, and you can get like almost an all-day shot without never have to worry about your battery dying. Then if you want to use your receiver and stuff like that, you can like that. And yeah, so yeah, don't waste your money on these extra accessories. Like I said, people's only sitting up there just to do their sponsorships and like that, and it's just a waste of money. And you can also buy something like this, which is just a microphone for your just a little prop to hold your microphone inside of it and try to look a little bit more professional. So it'd be like something like this, so you can just talk into it. Because I do use this all the time. It does work good. I do have dead cats on my microphone, but I do use this in a lot of my videos. So anytime you see me doing videos and I don't have a microphone in front of me, it's actually on my other DSLR, and I'm talking down from up top like that. So that's how I get a lot of my audio, or I might have it on my shirt. It depends on how I have it. So it's your boy Daddy Easy here. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DY Easy Gang Gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wong.